Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can turn on 5G mode in your iPhone. So just go into settings and you will see mobile service over here. You can just click on that. On some phones it will show cellular, it's both the same, so just go ahead with this. And once you're here, you can choose the SIM card that you want to change to 5G. If sometimes it will not show the SIM cards, it might show only data and voice, so you can just go into that as well. And here you can choose the voice and data options, so you can change to 5G. And here I have already selected 5G on. So the only thing is that when you're selecting 5G on, it will drain your battery much faster, whereas if you're on 5G auto, it will choose whether you need 5G, especially if you're downloading or if you're using video streaming. It will know which one to choose automatically. So this option is also good, but if you want to keep 5G on all the time, it's fine. It'll choose 5G whenever you're doing anything online. So if you go back, you have this option called data mode as well. Just click on that, and over here as well you can choose allow more data on 5G. So what happens is once you're downloading or anything, it will choose over Wi-Fi the 5G, so that it will use for software updates, cloud backups and everything. So instead, if you choose standard only, it will choose whether you need Wi-Fi or 5G whenever you're doing anything like that. So this is all about using 5G on your phone. Since I'm at home, I am still connected to my Wi-Fi, but whenever I leave home, it'll be connected to 5G always. So that's the good thing if you choose 5G. If you found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech tutorials. So thank you and have a nice day.